Now, dabbity nabbit, I should have made a video of this first one that I repaired, but I didn't. Now, it snapped off. You see this one here? This came off of the end of that, and the rest of it's dug down in there. I'm sure you can probably get parts like this if you want to special order them and hold your mouth just right and go to 5 different places to find them. But why do all that if you've got some super glue around? Now, I've got some super glue. This is Ultra Gel Control, which means it comes out in a gel rather than just the super glue. Okay, and I've looked at this and I've held it on there to see where it fits about right, and I can tell it fits right about there. And the last thing you want to do is get this all over the place, and I shouldn't even really have that one set there. And yeah, okay, you don't want to get that on your counters, and that's why I've got this paper towel here. And I folded this paper towel up about 3 times, because if you just do it once and it soaks through, it gets on your counter, have fun getting it off. I did that one time and I got it on with, I tried to take it off with a razor blade even. And I like this kind too. You press on the sides. And the good thing about this, when you get in a bigger container like this, it doesn't dry out as much. Remember all the crazy glue that you get in those small little containers? You use a little bit of it and you might as well throw away the rest, because you're never going to get it the next time, because it's going to dry up in the tip or on the sides and it explodes or whatever. Okay, because this is glue, it's gel, I can put it on there and it holds. And now I can hold that up there, twist that where I think it needs to go, right there. And now I'm going to hang on to it. I used to oversaturate these things, and you're only supposed to put it on one side. Now the plastic goodie is on the inside of this. Okay. And I'm gluing it to that, and you don't have to put it on this piece and this piece at the same time. I put enough of it on so that there's a little bit of the plastic touching the glue, touching the wood. So I've got some around the wood and also the inside of the plastic. I'm just going to let that set. That's it. And then I guess I can keep that up a little bit off the counter there. And I'm just going to let it dry before I put it back. Let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to put that back up, and I'll have fixed my wand. Voila. Just like that. Now when I get done with this, I just screw this cap back on. And I'll be ready for next time. This is the way to go. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.